Hello then welcome to a brand new video. This is Happy Beyond Numbers where we learn maths the easy way. In this lesson, we are looking at question 2b of 2025 BECE. Now it says Mr. Boachi gets 10% commission on type P house he sells. And then he gets 15% on type Q houses he also sells. Now he sells 3 type P houses at 700,000 cedis each. And then 4 type Q at what we say 1,400,000 Ghana cedis each. Calculate the total commission he makes. We have to calculate the total commission we makes. Now, before we solve this, let's write out the parameters. So we know that he has sold 3 of the type P houses, you see, and then the commission for each. So commission of type P houses is actually what? 10%. You see, and then we also know that the cost. So each type P house costs, let me say, the cost of type P house is what? From what we have over here. So the cost of type P house is 700,000. You see that? Now, we can choose to finish solving the commission he gets on type P houses. You see, after that, we now come to what? Type Q houses. So let's quickly do that on what he has accumulated in what? Selling type P houses. Now, if we look at the cost of one type P house, right? And we've been told that he has sold 3. Then it simply means the total cost after selling 3 P houses is then going to be what? 3 times your 700,000. You see, and that gives us what? 21. Then that is 3 times 7 giving us 21. Then we add the number of zeros. So we have 1, 2, 3. And that makes 2,100,000. You see. So after selling 3 of the B type houses, he has actually sold, or he has obtained a total of this. But it is out of this that he's going to get 10% commission. You get that? It is out of this that he's going to get his 10% commission. So let's look at how to do that. That is, the total commission now is going to be what? 10% of what did we say was the total he sold that for? This amount over here, you see. So 10% of that is 2,100,000 cedis, you see. And if we evaluate it, it is simply 10 over 100 times your number you've got over here, right? Okay. Now we know this 0 can cancel out this 0, and this can also cancel out this. So this simply means that his commission on the 3 P houses sums up to what? This amount over here. So 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 210,000 cedis. You see. But the question said, calculate the total commission he makes. So it also means we should calculate the commission he's going to obtain on the type Q houses as well. And take note, how many type Q houses did he sell? 4 of them. You see. So once again, let's calculate the total he's obtaining after the sale. Then we get out the commission on it. And by that, what do I mean? The cost of 1 Q type house is what? 1,400,000. You see. So the cost of the 4, the total cost of the 4 Q will then be 4 times what? This number you have over here, which is 1,400,000. You see, and if we evaluate that, we are going to get 56. So that is 5,600,000. Now, what is the commission he's going to get on this? We said his commission is what? 15%. So the total commission, or the commission on what? The type Q houses is going to be what? 15% of 5600 then 000. You see, and if you have to evaluate this, you are going to get 840,000 cedis. You see, so what have we done? We've been able to determine his commission on what this 4Q houses, and that is it over here. And we have also been able to determine his commission on the what? The P houses. But the question said his total commission. So we are going to add them both. You see. So this then means that the total commission is going to be this over here. Let me quickly write the numbers. So that is 210,000 plus 800 and what? 40,000. And that is going to give us that is 0, 0, 0, 0. Then you have your 5 and 8 plus 2 giving us a 10. You see, so you are going to get 1,050,000. 1,000,000 and what? 50,000. That is going to be his total commission after the sale of these houses. So for our conclusion, we then say, therefore, Mr. Boache gets a total commission of what? This amount over here, which is 1,050,000. And that is all. So here are some questions you can try on your own just to test your understanding. See you in our next lesson where we look at question number 3 of the BECE 2025. If there's any issue of consolation, you can always let me know at the comment section and then I would address that for you. You can also as well go to the homepage where I have treated all these topics for further explanation and then insight understanding. Bye for now and then see you in the next lesson.